kind of hard to see, but there's a bird flying around out there on the grass. She has been chasing that thing for 5 minutes, which is good because she's not giving up. But
knock, knock. We did. The door.
And Luke's just following along. But she really thinks she can catch it. That's what's funny. Huh. Now she's lost it. She don't even know where the bird is. Luke's still following the bird. She doesn't know where it went. Oh, Luke's hot on its tail. She's not giving up though, huh? This is the best workout she's had in a long time. Oh, she's starting to slow down.
Where's the bird? Oh, there it is. Flying right towards.
You could actually see the slobber coming out of her mouth. Huh.
Oh, yeah.
Look at it. See the white in it? See the white slobber on her tongue? Oh, I think she's done. She's lost the scent. Can we still... Can you see her?
Oh, wow.
It's hard to see way out there in the grass, but she's still looking. She's... Oh, I think she found it again. Look, here she goes.
There it is.
Oh, get it, Leia. Oh, gosh. That's comedy, huh, dude?